Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to skip a lesson on Duolingo. To do this, it's really simple. You have just to go to Duolingo, open the app, and to skip a lesson, it's very simple. You have just to scroll down for the lesson that you want to start with it, and you can click on that jump here on the button, like below it. And as you can see, that it tells me like jump ahead to unit 2 and increase your Duolingo score. You can like start a test. So to jump from section to section, you have to take a test for Duolingo to be sure that you can pass that lesson and go to the next one. So if you pass that test, Duolingo will let you skip the lesson. But if you don't succeed in the test, you will have to take it again and you will not jump until for the next lesson or skip lesson until you succeed on it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.